Hello everybody, I just bought a Asus G series and this is the first time I'm gonna open it. I already cut the tape. Here we have the laptop. What do we have here? Oh, nice. The charger. Nice huge charger. I have never done a video about computers or tutorials. So this is the plugin. Okay. I guess we can take out the laptop. Oh, it's just heavy. Oh whoa, this is pretty. It's pretty awesome too. Nice. That is amazing. Nice. Scrum. This is a beautiful laptop. I was trying to look at. I was having a difficult time deciding whether to buy the Asus or the MSI GT72. And what do you guys think? Did I make the right decision? Is this the best laptop? The people at the store told me that it is. So let's turn it on. No battery. Alright. So right here we have the quick installation guide. Nice. It's such incredible. Just I guess the regular menu. Yeah. Cable ties. Nice. The safety precautions for your notebook. That's it. That's all there is in this box. So I'll come back to you guys. I'm gonna charge it a little bit and see how it rolls. Alright. So the laptop is already charging. So let's let it charge for a little bit, and let me show you the ports. We have 2 USB ports right here. Lock the Blu-ray DVDs disc Blu-ray player. Here we have a few more ports. Kind of hard to see. We have the headphones, speaker. There you go. More USB ports, HDMI, Ethernet. Gotta tell you, the back of this thing, it's gorgeous. Yeah. It's the vents. That's what they told me. It's a nice machine. That's my own machine, Fujitsu. Best machine I ever had. I have to see my printer. So let's turn it on. Voila. Nice. Republic of Gamers. All right, there you have it. I'll come back to it.